Introducing the 2023 Peugeot 5008 FL Allure 1.5 Blue HDI 13, a luxurious MPV that boasts top-of-the-line features for your comfort and convenience. With a sleek grey exterior, a powerful 1.5-litre diesel engine and smooth automatic transmission, this vehicle will make every journey a joy. Equipped with a multitude of advanced safety features, including lane departure warning and anti-collision system, you can drive with peace of mind. The interior is designed with luxury in mind, featuring third-row seats and ambient lighting, and with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification, you can trust in the quality of this vehicle. Don't miss out. Call us or visit jpmg.ie for more information.